In this section, we'll tap into the creative powers of ChatGPT and Adobe AI to design a professional product portfolio for GroomTech, our fictitious company. ChatGPT will generate the original content, while Adobe AI will refine it by editing or removing visual elements. Next, we'll make the products transparent and use Adobe AI to seamlessly add a new background. With our content ready, we'll enhance the visuals further in PowerPoint by adding picture effects, such as shadows, soft edges, and 3D elements. And finally, we'll bring extra life to the portfolio by integrating transitions and linking objects across slides, making them clickable, and creating smooth, dynamic navigation for an engaging presentation. Along the way, you'll also pick up some handy tips and tricks. Let's jump into it.